Hey everybody, thanks so much for stopping by. I am here to do an unboxing slash unbagging of my Patchwork Parcel monthly subscription box. Well, bag. It's a box, but it's a bag. But you know what I mean. I just got this in the mail today and I wanted to go ahead and do a video to showcase this month's subscription. So I'm going to go ahead. I have to be careful with this. I've mentioned that before in other videos. Sometimes I get so excited that I tend to cut into the bag. And I like it. Oh, nice. Ooh, I love purple. Purple is, well, I don't want to say my favorite. Oops. I want to say my favorite, but maybe it is my favorite. I guess if I could have like a purple car, that'd be really cool. But look at the fun bag that they make for you, and they put their subscription items in a real pretty bag like this, and I've been saving them. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but they'd make great gift bags for somebody, or you know, whatever. So the bag is a gift too. Let me just peek in here. All right, here we go. I want to make sure it's right side up. So there's a pretty bag. Love that. So, Patchwork Parcel, monthly quilting surprise. Feel free to share your project on Patchwork Parcel's Facebook page. And I always do submit to them my unbagging videos so that they could see. So what's in the bag? So the fabric, beautiful geraniums and flower buds, along with a text fabric, make up this month's fabric bundle from the Chloe collection by Maywood Studio. Check out my blog at, and there it is there. You can do a screenshot instead of me doing all the back hashtag blah, 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 where I post quilting tips and tutorials. Happy quilting, Elaine. All right, cool. All right, Elaine, let's see what we have. Ooh, I mean, it is almost September. I actually, before I came up here, today is, what is today? What is today? August 23rd. I actually looked to see when is Labor Day, because I just heard a commercial about Labor Day, and oh my goodness, Labor Day is like next weekend. I also have my 40th class reunion. Well, we won't even go there. And when the invitation came, I go, no, that's not possible. It couldn't be 40 years. Well, yeah, it is. And I've never gone to any of my class reunions. I know I'm wandering off track here, but I'm going to this one. And I don't know why, but I'm going. So let's check out the fabric. And I believe this is half yard. They have different subscription boxes that you can get. You can get like full yards. You can get a lot more. Yeah, I believe this is half a yard. So this is nice. I mean, I like to add this to my stash. This is real pretty fabric. Oh, and here's the one that they talked about with the text fabric. Look how cool that is. It almost reminds me of like a stamp on a letter. I love that. I like the green. Let me fix you there. There you go. I like the green. So let me put them so that they're nice. Yeah, there we go. I don't want to see the raw edge. Okay. And I've been having a lot of fun with sewing. And I know someone had asked me, I had mentioned in one of my videos about making bandanas to donate to a local shelter. And I'm still getting them together, and someone had asked, they want to see, you know, how to create them. So I promise the video is coming. Life gets in the way sometimes, but look how pretty that is. I think this one is my favorite. I love the color combination. That's one of the great things about getting these monthly bags. I'm not necessarily a quilt. I don't really call myself a quilter, but I do enjoy sewing, and I like fabric. Fabric is kind of like a designer series paper with the Stampin' Up! Business that I do. I love paper and I love fabric, and I love how these color combinations go together. Elaine, you guys are thumbs up. Did a great job with matching them up. Now let's see what the pattern is, and I love patterns too. Kind of like collecting cookbooks. You know, I tend to have a lot of cookbooks. Not like I cook a lot anymore because it's just me. But Across the Sea. And this is cool. Sweet Jane's, what does that say? Quilting and Design. Okay, cool. So let's see. Now, oh, they do give you dimensions of what you need. Baby quilt, lap quilt, twin quilt, full, queen, and king. My goodness. I think I would just be sticking to baby quilt size or the lap quilt. Either one of those would be good for me because I'm not that, I mean, I've been sewing for years, but quilting is kind of new to me. I wish that there was an area here, in my a place in my area here that they had classes on it. I'd really love to take them, but we don't. Across the Sea, design the pattern, be a fun quilt to use interesting low volume background fabrics. It's meant to use a large variety of background fabrics, so I hope you buy a few new ones and raid your stash to use some of your favorites. If you want, you can eliminate the colored crosses and use low volume background fabric here too, leaving just the iris chain as the colored part of your design. Okay. Oh, I see the crosses here. Yeah, okay. If you're making a true scrap quilt and don't have uniform length strips to use for the iris chain, just cut a bunch of squares and sew them together into 4 patch units. Make the amount of units necessary for your quilt size. It will say how many you need throughout the step-by-step directions. If you'd like to increase the size of your quilt, add a border, and it's a simple way to do this. So, all right, this looks like pretty much straightforward until I look at this. But I guess this is just showing you how to lay out your designs, which is cool. I mean, that looks like it's simple enough for a beginner. Yeah, there's nothing on the back, so I mean, it's only a couple pages. Like, how hard could it be, right, people? All right, well, that is the well, I don't know, is this, I think this is the September. Does it say on here? No, because, you know, with it being the end of the month, I don't think it's the August one. I think it's the September one. So we're going to call it the September one. And Patchwork Parcel. So be sure to go and check them out and join up. Make sure you tell them I sent you. Tell Elaine, you know, hey, Susan Timchak said this is something we got to do, so I'm here to do it. You can find them at www.patchworkparcel.com. And yeah, go tell Elaine you want to join. You could choose whatever type of subscription, monthly subscription bag you want to receive. This is the I don't want to say the cheap one. This is the least expensive one, is by getting a variety of fabrics and only half a yard. I mean, I didn't really feel like I needed a yard for the little projects that I do. So this is cool, really cool. I really love the fabrics. Thank you, Elaine. And thank you for watching. And if you want to share this video, I would love that. If you do like what you see, you know what to do. So I hope you have a great day, everybody. I'll be back here again real soon. So see you soon. Happy sewing. Bye for now.